I think this is probably gonna take more hours than we have this week. As much as I hate to admit it, I have to go get Mitch's help. They want it done by Friday, it's Tuesday. I'm the only vinyl guy, so. I still have the 2 front door jams, and the customer's supposed to be here in 1 hour, which is like, not possible.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We have a yellow Urus that showed up at the shop. We're gonna be doing a full body vinyl wrap, including door jams on it, which is a big project. The color we're gonna be doing is gloss rock gray. This is gonna be a big job. We're all ready for it. Let's take you for the ride.
Yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. I'm just giving it another look over, just checking any areas that might have been missed during the prep yesterday. I'm gonna be doing some pretty large pieces and I don't want to have to redo any of them. I think this is probably gonna take more hours than we have this week. So this is gonna be a tough one to get finished this week. They want it done by Friday, it's Tuesday. I'm the only vinyl guy, so I don't know. Time to get serious. As much as I hate to admit it, I have to go get Mitch's help. All right, what I'm focusing on right here is we're just squaring up the panel and making sure that we're not short on the top or the bottom or anywhere that we want to make sure we have coverage. And then before we start peeling it, I'm going to cut anything that we don't need so we can potentially save it for other pieces just to minimize waste. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. I mean, it's just a big square that we have to hang up, nothing crazy, so. Trying to push into the deepest area right here. The heat is very crucial, yeah. It's just helping relax it. You want to push in the deepest area so then it kind of lays everything else down and you don't have any glue lines or anything that you would potentially not want to see.
Wait, what is, that's the edge of it?
That's the edge of glory.
Take that tape off, we'll just peel it in the air.
So should I like cut across?
You cut this stick.
Okay, because I can't remember where the window ends. I'm gonna have to do some trimming and stuff and a lot of post heating. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I'm gonna post heat it and then tomorrow I'm gonna come back and post heat it again just to make sure that it's not lifting or failing anywhere, and then we'll do the final trimming. All right guys, so it's day 2 here on the Urus. I got the jams all finished up yesterday and I came back today and I did the second round of post heating and everything looks exactly how we want it to. So I went ahead and did the final trimming and everything. So they're good to go. So I got the other jam also started up, just gotta wait to do the second round of post heating, but I think we're gonna go ahead and tackle the fenders and the hood and we'll see how much we can get done today. We're kind of on a time crunch, so let's just get started.
Only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this bitch. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights, they study my real. Yeah, I'm showing all.
All right, so I got the whole panel all squeegeed out, all trimmed, it's all good to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and post heat it. I like to post heat as I go so then I know I don't miss anything. All right, so I got the fender all knocked out. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do the hood too, just to get it out of the way.
Blessings, I'm balling, I'm play calling. They chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucy. Wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on this side, everything coming together. New whip, no lease, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate. I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking. She want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes. Hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes.
All right guys, another day back on this Urus. We are trying to put it back together and I'm finishing up the door side of the door jams. I still got 3 of the 4 left, so I don't know how we're gonna get it done, but that's the goal. We have to get this done today. We got like 4 people on this thing. So yeah, I can't talk anymore. We gotta go do this. Little update. We're all struggling. Yeah, it's all hands on deck. Mitch is nowhere to be found as usual. So don't tell them I said that. Still like 2 front jams and the rest of this jam. I don't know.
Going over little things. A lot of little things.
Yeah, all those screws are the same. I put one that was like down here on both sides, and then there's like a little stud right up here that had that little plastic nut on it.
I'm removing all the adhesive off this piece right here. They still need to wrap it. So we're gonna remove the adhesive first, and then we're gonna wrap over it, and then we're gonna put some new adhesive and stick it back on the car.
The wrap is finally done. It was a week-long project. Honestly, a week was pretty quick considering how much work we had to do on it. We had a bunch of people working, trying to get it done on time. The car looks beautiful. The door jams look beautiful. We took all 4 doors off. We really dug in deep, got it all done. Customer's gonna be super happy. We also did a ceramic coating on top of the vinyl to try to protect it from fading, make it last long, keep it shiny, easy to clean. So we're gonna see what the customer thinks about this when he picks up. I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.